I'm gonna do a video showing you guys how I burn the sugar to make the browning or to brown the meat. So we season the chicken over this already. We're gonna marinate it. We do quick and fast. So the chicken seasoned already, and we're gonna add some oil to the pot. Right, you don't need too much. So once you add the oil, we're gonna allow that for hot. So guys, you see, once the oil heat, we're gonna drop the sugar. And the sugar doesn't matter too much, whether it's 1 spoonful or 2 you want. What really matters is how long you burn the sugar for. If you burn it too long, it's gonna be bitter, right? So we're gonna drop this in the oil. I'm gonna try to keep it as long as I can. And I'm gonna keep it as long as I can, so you guys can see the process. It take a little time, but you have to have patience and you have to stand up over your pot, guys. Stand over your pot. Don't let it go away. Alright, we shall put this on a stand, you know. Alright guys, I'm gonna try my best not to stop it. Put it up on my stand so I'm not fall onto it. Alright. Bear with me. Just want to keep it steady, and it's gonna take a little time. So that's why I want to take it out of my hand. Alright, and remember guys, as I say, when you stand up over the pot, you're gonna leave it, because once you leave it, that's when everything just start happening. And when you miss the mark. Alright, the thing is now, you want the sugar to reach the color you want the chicken to have. So if you don't want the chicken to have a light brown, this is when you put it in. If you want it to have a little darker brown color, you wait out a little bit more. Right, you can also stir it if you choose. You can leave it if you choose to. Most of the time I leave it because I don't really like when it go up on the spoon, because it kind of stiff on the spoon. And guys, turn the stove down low. Alright, the brown here, this color is what I like, the outer color. So I'm going to place the chicken in the oil now. You never hear me. But usually we leave it like this, maybe like a minute before we start turning, just to get the side that it is on to catch color. Alright, so now I'll give it a couple seconds or a couple minutes, and then I turn it. We're not screaming on it here. We know in a minute now, but we are trying to speed the video, right? And then we start turning. And just like that, you see that? You can also use another minute, or you can just occasionally turn it until you get the color, or all sides of the chicken is the color that you love. No liquid needed. I'm still now going to stop the video. We're on 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Just going to move it up, back it up a little. I try to adjust the camera. I'm sorry about this. kind of good, right? And then we go in, turn again. Nice and crispy. Alright, so once me catch a color, like the color here, then I'll just cover the pot. Cover my pot, turn the stove, this get on 4, so my pot a 7 at the ice. So I put it on 4. You can also put it on 3. Turn it down would be best for you, and just leave it, make it do its thing. In about the next 5 minutes, make a come again and show you how far I reach. I not add no liquid to it, I not touch it, I not do nothing. I just turn it down a little lower and make it a do its thing.